How to connect Hostinger domain to Framer, custom domain in Framer. In this video, we're going to be talking about Framer and how you're going to be able to connect your Hostinger domain to it. Now, this is a very simple and easy process. All you're going to need to do is, first of all, have your Hostinger set it up. Okay, make sure that you have a proper domain with the cPanel opened. Now, once you've done that, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to Framer, and right here in your project, you're going to come to this section up here where it says settings. So click on that. And from here, you're going to come to the left-hand side, where it's going to say domains. So we click on that. And once that is done, you come down here to where it says custom domain. Now they're going to give you two options: get a free Framer subdomain or connect a domain that you own. So you're going to click on this. Obviously, you are going to want to have the upgraded plans. So any from these three, Mini, Basic, Pro, whatever you want, you can go with them. And once you have gone with them, simply come over to domains, connect a domain you own, write in your Hostinger domain name. From there, it's going to take you to the verifications, take you to your cPanel, add things from there, and that will have you connected your Hostinger domain to Framer. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.